Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a header in Elementor Pro. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, find the Elementor menu and select Templates, then Theme Builder. You will then see options for different template types. Click on Header and choose to Add New to start building your custom header from scratch or edit an existing one. Now, let's design the layout. Drag a new section onto the canvas and choose your desired column structure, perhaps one column for a logo and two for navigation. Then, drag and drop essential widgets such as the site logo, nav menu, and a call to action button. You can easily adjust column widths by dragging the dividers, ensuring your header has a balanced and professional appearance. Next, customize your header's appearance. Select each element to adjust its styling, including colors, typography, and background. For instance, you might set your navigation links to a specific font size, like 16 pixels. Remember to check responsive settings for mobile and tablet views, ensuring your header looks great on all devices. You can also add advanced features like a sticky header effect or subtle motion effects. Finally, set your display conditions. This tells Elementor Pro where your new header should appear. You can choose to apply it across your entire site or specify individual pages, posts, or categories. For example, you might exclude it from a specific landing page. Once your conditions are set, click Save and Close, and then Publish to make your custom Elementor Pro header live for all your visitors to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.